What's up, everyone? KP is back, and thank you guys for tuning in to another YouTube video. So, as you can see, you're probably thinking, what's going on here? But, check it out. So, I've been having trouble with my key. Been breaking, giving out, finally broke on me. So, I was gonna fix it, but I thought better way to fix it is to make a custom key and use a Hot Wheel. So I want to use this cool combi right here. I'm going to try to keep the original paint, everything. The roof might be gone. On the key I had to take the chip out, the transponder chip, and also I want to try to keep the lock, unlock, panic, and trunk button. I'm going to try to do this all in the cool combi. Hopefully we have enough room. So the first thing is we're going to take the key apart and then unrivet the cool combi at the base and see what I'm working with. And I'll bring you guys back right after that. So stay tuned. So we're back from taking the casting off the base. We also took the key apart. I started cutting the roof so I could fit the buttons on the top of this casting right here. As you can see, that hole and the cut I made from the saw. With that hole, I'm going to use my saw, my jeweler saw, to finish cutting the roof off. And here's the parts of the key. This is the jeweler saw, guys. Here's the key taken apart. Well, it was already broken, basically. And this part right here, let me point to it right here. That is the transponder chip. We need that. I need to incorporate this chip into the car somewhere, or the car will not start. So, next thing, guys, is I'm going to finish cutting the top off here and do a little work, and I'll bring you when I'm a little bit more advanced into that and trying to fit the buttons in. And get back to you guys here in a second. Okay, I went ahead and finished cutting out the roof on the casting here, and I got the button panel, I guess, from the key. So let me show you guys how it kind of fits in here. Not perfect right now, but something like that, you know. And then I have this steel stick. It's a steel reinforcement putty, which I'm gonna hold that down with and fill in the gaps. Try to sand it. Try not to damage the paint more than I already did. If I do damage it, then guys, we're gonna have to paint it, but you know, let me see what I can do. So next thing is I'm gonna install this panel onto the casting here and try to get it decent looking. So I will bring you guys back. Okay, welcome back. Now here's the progress, guys. I went ahead and got the fob, placed it on top of the roof of the cool combi, and it kind of looks like a roof rack. And it is not done yet because I might put like a little wing right here or something, I don't know. But all this needs to be sanded down. I kind of want to smooth this so it doesn't have that ridge all the way around like that. Smooth it out, make it look nice. Also, let me see if I can focus here. I'm thinking it's too thick from here to here, so I want to sand all that down. You know, mess with it a little bit, but it's starting to look pretty cool, guys. And the key fob actually works. Let's see here. Let's see if you can get let me get a better button here. Sorry I can't push it that good, but See, the key fob works. So it's unlock right here, lock, panic, and trunk button. And the battery is right there. And it's not that tough to access. So if I ever need to change it, this is a brand new battery. But if I ever need to change it, it shouldn't be too hard to access, guys. So let's move on to the key part, okay? So we got the base. The key part was real simple idea. All I did was super glue it to the base back here. I had to cut kind of like the wheelie bar exhaust off the cool combi that they come with. And if I can focus good enough, but right about here, I glued it in. I was going to put a screw right here, but decided not to because I'm going to get some of this steel putty and put it right here, reinforce it really good. I still need to come up with something for the back here because I don't want that open. So I'll figure something out for the back. But it's almost there, guys. I need to clean up the cool combi because I got some of that residue right here, right there from that putty. It's very messy because you have to mix it with your hands. I tinted the windows, guys, because there's going to be no interior in there. So if you can see, the windows are black and the windows are in. The wheels, I like these wheels, guys. They're Real Rider wheels, you know, with the rubber tires and everything. I might just paint the rims. I don't think I want to change them. I actually like those wheels on the Volkswagen Bugs and the cool combis. So that's the update. So I think the next thing I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to assemble. I'm going to fix this roof rack thing that I made. So kind of sand it down, make it a little bit better, assemble the key and you know, frame to or base to the casting, and figure out what to do with this big hole in the back. And then I'll bring you guys back one more time so you guys can see that. We'll clean it all up and we'll call it done, and then we'll try it. So back to work, and I'll bring you guys back. So here's the moment you guys have been waiting for, the finished product. There it is. So I don't know about the paint on top, guys. I just finished painting it. I don't like it too much, but it's a key. I mean, what can I expect? I might go with an acrylic black or maybe more acrylic white, just to smooth out, you know, because this paint that I used really didn't smooth out or flow. How could I say? It didn't flow. I went and put the key ring right to that windshield post right there. And remember the back piece? I needed some kind of filler or something. Yes, this is a Volkswagen Cool Combi Volkswagen bus, but my key's for a Lexus. So let's check it out. Boom, right there. Check it out. The Lexus logo that's actually part of the old key, and then the key sticking out right here like a big exhaust. We go all the way around. See, there's like little rough edges on the top of the white. It's a key, guys. It's gonna get messed up. I have a bunch of other keys on my keys, and it's probably gonna get scratched up after a while. But I am gonna revisit this again and do something on that top just to make it a little better. Maybe some plasti dip, some maybe rhino lining or something. Let me take you guys all the way around again so you guys can see this in action. But there's my key, okay? Let me show you guys the wheels. If I can focus here or get good, well, not focus, get good lighting. They are red. I went ahead with the red wheels, changed them out, kept the same wheels. Now, you ask, does it work? Does the key work? So if I was to press these buttons, are they going to work? And there's a light right here. Okay, lock or unlock, lock, and trunk, guys. So yes, they do work. You know, it's not too hard to change out the battery. All I have to do is that piece of steel right there, that putty. I just have to drill that out, and I can take this whole thing apart. Simple, put some more putty and hold together. So all in all, I love the way it came out, guys. If you guys want to do one, you know, you guys could do one with your type of car, whatever, you know, and it's not too difficult to do. And I like it. It's just that top, you know, is not exactly what I was hoping for, but that's the only paint I had on hand. Excuse me. And I did use a brush. So it's not like a spray or something that would fill in better, guys. I hope you guys like this little project. Thank you guys for tuning in to my YouTube. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It will mean everything to me, and it helps the channel, and it's free. It doesn't cost you guys anything at all. Thank you very much. I'm Casual Paul, and we'll see you guys on the next video.